You know what time it is. You know what time it is. We are going to ride a mountain coaster. Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're here at Ober Gatlinburg and we are about to take on the ski mountain coaster. I'm so excited because I've heard tons about this one and heard that it's one of the best in the Smokies. So we already have our ticket, as you can see, and we are about to head up to the ski mountain coaster. Let's go. Now this right here shows us what the ride cars look like, and they look like they're a nice blue color, kind of standard to what we've seen before. I'm really excited, guys. It is right up this path at the back side of Ober Gatlinburg. Now at Ober Gatlinburg, they also have a lot of other things that you'll want to do. For example, right now they're doing an Oktoberfest, and then outside they have an alpine slide and tons of other activities. So you're going to want to come out here and check it out. Not to mention, there's a viewpoint at the very top of the mountain that is gorgeous, and they have live music there. So all of those things are definitely things that you're going to want to do. But today, let's talk about what we're here for. The coaster. The coaster is going to be so much fun, guys. Okay, just a few things to note about the ski mountain coaster. In order to ride, you must be at least 52 inches tall. If you are 36 inches or taller, you can be a passenger. It does have some information down here about the rules, which includes the brake controller must be able to operate both levers, which means that you have to be able to use both hands. You have to keep them both on the levers themselves. We just talked about the height restrictions, but there's also an age restriction of 3 years old. And then also the maximum combined weight cannot exceed 300 pounds. Now, here are some obvious ones. You should not have loose items on, and you really don't need to be wearing any kind of loose shoes. I definitely recommend closed-toed shoes anytime that you're riding any kind of rides, just saying. Also, you can't have food, drink, gums, etc. Now, cameras are only permitted whenever they can be completely and totally attached. And that's one of the things I found out before coming here, and that's why you guys were able to see the GoPro today. Okay, once we went inside, we had to put on our mask for a minute, but after we come back outside, we don't have to wear it. So we're going up the stairs right now to the coaster, and my excitement is building. I am so hyped right now. You have no idea, and I hope you're hyped too. Okay guys, so we are going up the mountain right now, and this is usually the easiest part. You don't have to do absolutely anything. We just read the signs and make sure we know what's going on. They gave us good instructions already as to what we're supposed to do. It's go forward to go, back to slow. So here we go. And we have our first little moment to try it out. Here we go. Okay, now we go up the big hill. Now, if there are other people here, we're supposed to stay 80 feet back or 180 feet if it was wet. So if we would have come out here yesterday, 180 feet between us and the next rider. However, right now we are the only riders, so we can go fast. I'm really excited about this one because I haven't seen the Smokies on a mountain coaster before. So I am excited. Already the outside here looks a lot different. We have some rocks and some different vegetation, and it's just now starting to see some of those fall colors peek through. So it's gorgeous out here. This is a beautiful coaster. Now during the winter months, the area to our right over here is actually a portion of their ski area. Not the heavily treed area, but just beyond that. So they do have two separate lifts that go up to that area so that you can go skiing. Here we go, a little bit more. We're getting super close to the top now, I think. I'm gonna adjust you guys just a little bit. and make sure that we're good. Oh, next lift hill. There's a little bit of a jerk whenever you hit the lift hill. It just has to engage you into the wiring so that it really starts to pull. But it'll all be worth it once we start going downhill. This sign says that if the seatbelt disconnects, the cart will automatically stop and beep. So we will know if something's wrong immediately. It also tells you don't try to unbuckle just to get a little bit more of that adventure. It won't work. One more tiny adjustment, guys. And then we're off at the top here. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good. Let's see. Yeah, now you guys can see the course a little bit better. Let's pull you up and we're off. Okay, I've got my lever pushed forward and we're off. Let's see how long this takes. Woo! Woo! Ooh, guys. Oh, look at this little snaky turn here. Ooh. Chilly out here, guys. We have a big S-loop to go here. Woo! And we're through. Oh, we're turning in for another one. Okay, time to slow down a little bit, guys. Woo! I don't know how much you all were bumping around on here, but that was just awesome. Whew. And then this is just a closer look at the ride cart that we actually rode in, and see it has two little spaces here. One for the driver and one for the passenger if you have one, and if you don't, you just sit in the driver's seat, no big deal. Both seat belts have to be buckled. Again, we talked about that as we were going up. They do have a little handhold here for the passenger, which must be held on to at all times. And then, of course, here's those little levers right there that, you know, forward for go, back for slow. Just saying. Okay, guys, let's just talk about it. That was really, really fun. It was also really chilly because of the wind whipping over me, so my skin is super cold now. But all in all, super fun. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna look at this and see if you can even tell what's going on at this point, because I'm pretty sure that some of those curbs had us doing this, but that's okay. All in all, I would say that this was a great way to see the Smokies and a great way to visit Ober, so I definitely recommend coming out. If you've enjoyed today's video of the Alpine Ski Mountain Coaster here at Ober, make sure you leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and check out some of my other mountain coaster videos that I've been on, or check out the Alpine Slide video from Ober Gatlinburg. Till next time, guys.